work and settle in the UK. In order to retain its competitive edge, the UK invites skilled professionals to work in the UK under the Tier 2 visa program. Under this program, workers whose occupations are listed on the Tier 2 shortage occupation list can apply to work in the UK on a long-term basis. Among the popular professions on the list are IT, finance, teaching, healthcare and engineering. If skilled workers must come to the UK, they need to have the Tier 2 visa. You can apply for this visa if you have been offered a skilled job in the UK. The salary requirements for this visa are £20,800 per annum for first-time employees and £30,000 for those with job experience. UK Tier 2 Work Permit Visa Details. Tier 2 General Visa. The Tier 2 visa allows skilled professionals to build their professional career in the UK. The duration for stay as per the UK Tier 2 Work Permit Visa is for a maximum period of 5 years 14 days, or the time period mentioned on your certificate of sponsorship, plus 1 month, whichever duration is shorter. The Tier 2 visa is a points-based visa, and applicants must score a minimum of 70 points for their application to be considered. The points are awarded based on whether you have a certificate of sponsorship from an employer, whether you are receiving an appropriate salary, your English communication skills, the maintenance funds you hold. If you satisfy these parameters, you can then apply to the Tier 2 visa. The Tier 2 visa is further subdivided to allow for the following professionals. Tier 2 General Visa, for workers who have a job offer in the UK and whose profession appears on the shortage occupation list. Tier 2 Intra-Company Transfer Visa, for workers of corporations transferring to the UK. Tier 2 Minister of Religion Visa, for ministers of religions within a religious organization. Tier 2 Sportsperson Visa, for coaches and sportspersons. If you have successfully received a UK Tier 2 visa, you can study in the UK, bring family members to the UK, travel to and from the UK. Processing time. You can apply for this visa 3 months before you begin working in the UK. The starting date will be mentioned in the certificate of sponsorship you will receive from your UK employer. How long can one stay on Tier 2 Work Permit Visa? You can stay for a maximum of 5 years and 14 days on this visa. The documentation required for the UK Tier 2 visa includes having a valid certificate of sponsorship from an employer, salary and financial details, current passport and travel history, certifications proving your English skills, criminal record certificate, other supporting documents. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.